Hi everyone, my name is Allie and I chose an ad by Coca-Cola. This ad was part of an ad campaign that launched in 2015 in London. It was part of a series of ads that featured iconic London images such as the London Eye. These ads were placed around the city in prominent locations and were part of Coca-Cola's new global one brand strategy and encouraged consumers to choose happiness. The different Coke bottles represent Original Coke, Coke Life, Coke Zero, and Diet Coke. Let's take a closer look at the design elements that make up this ad. The first one is alignment. The Coke bottles are lined up evenly with the Choose Happiness hashtag. Because it is aligned, your eye naturally follows that path from the Coke bottles to the hashtag. The next design element is repetition. The repetition of the white throughout the ad creates a sense of unity between the different parts of the ad. Keeping the same font helps with this as well. The next design element is contrast. The bright red background makes everything else on the ad pop. The white stands out and seems brighter, the black stands out and seems darker. Red and green are direct opposites on the color wheel, which also makes the screen stand out. Now let's take a closer look at my ad. I wanted to make sure I kept the same feel of the original ad, and the easiest way was to use the same red color on the background. Next, I kept the hashtag. By doing so, I was able to keep the ad feeling like it was part of the same series. I also kept the tagline short. I tried to keep it in the same sense of humor to keep it in line with the natural selection dinosaur reference as well as the nature reference. I tried to match the font as best as I could. Finally, the Coke bottles. Coke bottles have a very recognizable shape. By keeping them as part of the ad, it helps keep the same feeling. By adding the flowers, it directs your eye toward the center of the ad and the bottles. By keeping everything aligned, it again draws your eye along the same path to the hashtag. I feel like my ad fits into this series because of the design elements of color, alignment, and repetition.